In this video, we will be going through the crack repair procedure for the Vela Pop Top. In this procedure, you will need the following tools. To repair a crack, first clean the area with alcohol wipes. Then, using an electric drill with a small cutting bit or a Dremel tool with a masonry bit, create a channel along the entire length of the area to be repaired. Do not cut all the way through the pop top frame. Now lightly sand all repaired cracks and clean your area with alcohol wipes. Apply plenty of DAP Dynaflex Ultra Sealant along the entire area to be repaired. Use a flat edge scraper to remove any excess adhesive.